Good day, beautiful Bravehearts. Hope everybody is doing fantastic. I just got to Dallas International Airport. I arrived yesterday, spent the day in Dallas checking out where we're going to be relocating here, one of the clinics, and then now I'm hopping on the plane to head to Australia in Coffs Harbour to do the WOLFE non-surgical training. That starts on I think the 22nd. Yeah, the 22nd. The days are so kind of mixed up because I've been jumping back and forth. But it's pretty loud in here. But what is WOLFE non-surgical, people ask? And so I'm going to teach you guys how to open up the body, that you don't have to feel so restricted. That doctor's saying it's bone on bone. I'm sorry, that's incorrect. It's not exactly bone on bone. You can wear your joints out, but there is cartilage still there. But you've displaced so much calcium to the area that we can't see that cartilage anymore. So to what I see on the x-ray, it does look like bone on bone. But we're going to go in. I'm going to teach you how to deal with anything from A to Z: scoliosis, carpal tunnel syndrome, fibromyalgia, just limitation, frozen shoulder. It doesn't matter. You can have a plethora of autoimmune issues, physical issues. We're here to teach you that your body is only limited by your mind and how far you want to go with things. So we teach you how to remove the scar tissue and crystallization that is adhesed to that area. We show you how to increase the synovial fluid so our joints have that oil and it moves properly. But we got to dig down a little bit deeper. Why did we get to this position in the first place? And so we go back into the mind. And so did you push yourself aside too much? Were you not hydrating well enough? Were you not eating a proper diet? We want to look at this as a whole. And then other than that, when you come to my WOLFE non-surgical course, we go from literally head to toe, learning how to take each individual part apart in the most thorough process. And we go in lovingly. It is intense at times, but we go in lovingly and we pull that scar tissue apart. And we're going to increase the blood flow, increase the lymph flow and the circulation so the tissue can restore itself. And then we're going to get you on a proper diet. And everybody's diet is great, sure. Is it really? And does your diet truly work for you? I need to be eating the proper stuff because what works for Bert does not work for me. And he might even be on a perfect day diet, but it's a perfect day for him, not for me. We're all from different places in the world. We all have different absorption rates. We all have different types of blood. So what is your body needing? We need to kind of dig into this a little bit deeper. And that's what we do in the Whole Life Coach. And I touch on a lot of that in the WOLFE non-surgical. But the WOLFE non-surgical is going to go really deep physically and go into the emotional aspect, the physical, of why this started in the first place. And then we're going to free up that body because you don't need to feel limited. And so I gotta board my flight really quickly, but I will give you maybe a FaceTime when I land in Melbourne before I head to Coffs Harbour. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Know that, just keep your vibration high. Put a smile on your face, get in the cold shower, drink that juice, get out in the sun, put your feet in the dirt, do something that's so great for you today because you deserve it. You're a rock star. So if you're ever interested in taking the courses and learning more about us, go to BraveHeartNation.com. So I'm going to be in Coffs Harbour doing this non-surgical course. The next one for the last one of the year is going to be in Bonita Springs, Florida in October. But I have a bit of September off, and then I'll be working all of November as well. And so I do personal treatments and trainings and personal course trainings. So if you just want me to come to you and you don't want to fly somewhere, give us a call and I will come to you and I'll come in and we'll kind of dissect the house a little bit to see where our diets are off. We'll see how people kind of move along and then we'll learn the most powerful bodywork known to date. And I'm not just saying that to toot my own horn or to be like, it is. I've never seen the results. I've never given results to my clients to show them that they can take their body back. They can take their power back. They don't need to feel constantly limited. They don't need to feel like the life they're living is as good as it gets because you know what? That's a crock. You guys deserve the world. We deserve to take our power back. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Blessings.